video in the course MikroTik User Manager 7, we install User Manager 7 into the router. Our router coming without User Manager, so we need download and install from the MikroTik website. We need first select type of router. Example here 1009 is. We need select type of download by CPU type. Here CPU type is tile, and some other router is PowerPC or AMR or anything. So we need select the CPU type before download. Here, this is 1009, and X4 is ARM, and other here 1100 X2 model, it's PowerPC, and here it's a normal PC MikroTik. So I will download my CPU type and click to download extra package, and same the router version. It's finished download now. I will extract the file from zip file. Okay, now this is add extra package for my model router. We can see many package, so I need only user manager. Okay, upload to file. Okay, finish router, report router. After finish install, we can show here its user manager is installed successfully. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.